Calculate the density of carbon monoxide gas, or CO, at STP. Assume ideal conditions. Before we solve this problem, let's define first STP. STP means standard temperature and pressure, and you need to be familiar with these values. The standard temperature is 273.15 Kelvin, and the standard pressure is 1 atm. If you want to solve for the density of an ideal gas, this is equal to MP over RT. If you want to know how I derive this equation, you can check the description box. Capital M stands for the molar mass of the gas. In our problem, the gas is carbon monoxide, and the molar mass of CO is 28.01 grams per mole. P is the pressure, and the standard pressure, as I said earlier, is 1 atm. Divided by R is the gas constant, 0.0821 liter atmosphere per mole Kelvin, and T is the temperature in Kelvin. And the standard temperature, as what I have mentioned earlier, is 273.15 Kelvin. Let's see how the units will cancel. Moles will cancel, atm will cancel, and Kelvin will cancel. So the unit for density is grams over liter, or grams per liter. And if you solve for the density of carbon monoxide, this is equal to 1.25 grams per liter. And this is the answer to the question.